A grand jury will now hear the case of a Mobile woman accused of shooting her husband to death, then dropping his body off at a hospital.
WKRG News 5's Akivia McFarland was in court for Genesis Tanksley's preliminary hearing. And Akivia, you learned new information from today's testimony.
That's right, Pete and Roseanne. Prosecutors tried to poke some holes in the suspect's story about what happened early on New Year's Day. A ride to a convenience store becomes the focus of testimony in a Pritchard murder case. Prosecutors say Genesis Tanksley drove to the Lucky 7 convenience store on St. Stephen's Road after allegedly shooting her husband, Lazarus, down the road. In a statement to law enforcement and during a jailhouse interview with WKRG, Tanksley said she gave a man a ride to the store. But on Thursday, Detective Vincent Gazier with the Mobile County Sheriff's Office testified surveillance video showed Genesis Tanksley was alone in that car when she got to the store. The detective also shared a witness account of someone who said the victim ran toward them saying, "She shot me, she shot me." Tanksley maintained someone else shot her husband.
After the investigation, there's absolutely no evidence to substantiate that. The evidence presented today, in fact, pointed to her being the perpetrator of the murder. The judge found probable cause to send it to the grand jury.
Tanksley's father was in the courtroom as that decision was made.
Unfortunately, I think that was a very grave decision. Things remain to be seen. A lot of evidence still has to come out.
Investigators say after the convenience store, Tanksley went back to the scene, got her husband, then dropped him off at a hospital. After that, she went to her father's home.
And she was like in a lot of despair, just very distraught, basically saying, Larry is dead. I think she said some dude shot him, and he died in my arms, and I don't know what to do.
A search warrant was executed at her father's home on Vetter Street, uncovering weapons that were seized and are being analyzed. Inside of Tanksley's car, detectives say they found a bullet shell casing on the dashboard of the vehicle and blood. Also in the car, a knit hat and a phone, which Tanksley claims belonged to the person who shot her husband. Tanksley's attorney asked the judge to lower her $150,000 bond. The judge denied that request. In studio, Akivia McFarland, WKRG News 5.